YouTube. My buddy Josh actually just picked up the GTR. He had an M4 before that, and he got rid of that, unfortunately. But he's got the GTR now, and he just picked it up today. So we're gonna go see it at Boost 3. He's doing some exhaust work to it. He's just getting the preliminaries and whatnot. So let's go check it out. Dude,
GTR right here.
I think you should put the GTR in.
That's what I was gonna do. I gotta ask for anything else.
What's the warranty like on this thing?
60K, so 100K powertrain, 60K comprehensive.
60K comprehensive?
3-year, 5-year powertrain.
That's a nice plate frame holder.
Dude, it is a fucking really, like, look at it. Oh, so I don't look like I'm cheap. I bought it from a Nissan dealer.
No, it looks good, man. Honestly, it's fine. It's fine.
Not even done, so he's got to get, it's in the process, right?
Yeah.
So he's adding 2 additional bays.
Yeah.
Putting this up, cleaning this out.
Yeah.
But yeah, no, it's a clean job.
So that E92, so clean. What's that? Oh yeah, yeah. So.
Fully built, right? That's getting fully built.
Yeah.
That's a fully built Supra. All these motors are gone. It's all being built. These are big boys.
Is that right?
Yeah.
Wow.
The monoblock in royal.
Got the 2 Porsches here. Got the 996 and the GT3. See you, man. Holy shit. That's loud, man. Holy shit.
The interior is kept so mint on this car though.
Yeah.
That's why I loved it. I was like, this is clean as.
We're at a golf and country club. As you can see here, we got the GTR. This will be my first time sitting in the passenger seat of this car, so I'm super stoked. I've never been in the passenger seat. I've driven it maybe once or twice, but yeah, let's go. Yeah.
No, I'm not even talking.
Gas is so expensive right now. 151.
Any specials on Red Bull? No.
Me too. All right, off we go. I need a Joby. Yeah, I know. This thing's too big. Man.
What time does Yorkdale close at?
9.
You just arrived at Yorkdale?
Yeah, we haven't stopped parking yet. We just arrived, right?
Where are you parked?
Wherever you want.
Finally made it to Yorkdale Mall. His brother's meeting us somewhere. Not too sure. But look what we have here. Is this even a parking spot? What's going on YouTube? Right now we're going to pick up my buddy Josh's GTR. He left it at Boost 3 overnight and he got some new wheels for it, so let's go check it out.
It's all good. What's going on?
Good, but it's still bog.
Yeah.
So I need to have it a tiny bit higher than 4,000.
That's insane. Oh my god.
They'll have written DWX, and you can tell, like when the W disappears. Yeah, here, look. Oh, sorry. So you see the D and the W? Mm-hmm. It's like right here.
Oh, so when they disappear.
So when the letter disappears, it means it's no longer good for the letter. Make sure that you get all that new tire right off.